Huawei sub-brand Honor launched the Magic 2 smartphone with a sliding front camera back in October last year. It also sports a triple rear camera setup along with Huawei's 7nm HiSilicon Kirin 980 SoC. We tried out the device at CES and this is our first look. The dual SIM Honor Magic 2 runs Magic UI 2.0 based on Android 9 Pie. It sports a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 91.5% screen-to-body ratio. The display slides down to reveal the front camera and 3D face unlock sensors. It is powered by the HiSilicon Kirin 980 SoC and comes in 6GB or 8GB of RAM options. Its triple rear camera setup bears a 16-megapixel primary sensor, a 24-megapixel monochrome sensor, and a 16-megapixel sensor with a super wide-angle lens. The company is touting the presence of its AIS tech for image stabilization apart from a single LED flash. On the front, the smartphone bears a triple camera setup if you count the 3D face unlock sensors. There's a 16-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel plus 2-megapixel combo for 3D face unlock features. The Honor Magic 2 offers 128GB or 256GB of inbuilt storage depending on the option selected, neither of which are expandable via microSD card. There is a 3500 mAh battery on board the Honor Magic 2 and the 40-watt Magic Charge fast charging tech is set to deliver a full charge in 55 minutes. The Honor Magic 2 price starts at 3,799 yuan for its 6GB RAM 128GB inbuilt storage variant, going up to 4,299 yuan for its 8GB RAM 128GB storage variant and 4,799 yuan for its 8GB RAM 256GB storage variant. Thanks for watching. For all things tech and the latest in CES news, log on to gadgets360.com.